Now listen up carefully, performers. This trio is going to compose and perform live on the bell tower a musical composition that has never been heard before.
So I get ready to write down that book.
And so you're going to go first.
I'm gonna go first.
You're gonna go first.
Go, baby.
Now I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not here. You're going to go first. You're going to go next, and then you're going to be the final.
Oh yeah.
And the way our trio is going to perform is over here. It's not on the Carolines, but it's over here. And there is a set of buttons right here. And when I give you the signal, you press one button at a time in any order you choose. And the order you choose represents the composition. Now you could push the same button 3 times, but that would be pretty dull. Yes, it's a different note each time. So you pick in any order you choose. Photo opportunity. This is the world premiere of a musical composition that has never been heard before. Are our performers ready?
Yeah.
Remember, after you do, step back so he can get in.
Yes.
Okay, in any order you
I'm ready.
choose,
Yeah, I'm ready. I got it.
3 buttons right there. Do it. Now listen. Okay, yeah. Good. Yeah.
Good job, guys.
See if I can get her to push one.
Bravo! Bravo! Great job. Oh, look, they're jumping and clapping and yelling. They're going crazy out there.
Yeah, you already did it.
They've never heard of it.